It's a hot topic.
I've got a proven record fighting to defend the Second Amendment.
The Second Amendment.
The Second Amendment.
So important is our Second Amendment.
But what are they really talking about? Well, the Second Amendment to the Constitution of the United States is part of the Bill of Rights, which means it's one of the fundamental freedoms at the heart of our society. Literally, it reads, quote, "A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." The founders made it clear that they felt the right to own firearms would always be very important. But since then, there have been considerable debates regarding the amendment's intended scope. Much of the controversy over whether the intent was limited to the prefatory clause of states' rights to maintain a well-regulated militia, or whether the intent was geared more towards the operative clause of protecting the individual citizen's right to keep and bear arms. Centuries before the Second Amendment was even drafted, European political writers used the term well-regulated militia to refer to all the people armed with their own firearms or swords, bows, or spears, and led by officers they chose. Congress has brought up legislation to clarify the Second Amendment's meaning 4 times in history, and each time, in 1866, 1942, 1986, and 2005, Congress passed laws to reaffirm this guarantee of personal freedom. Throughout the years, there have also been many Supreme Court rulings and efforts to control the possession of arms by government authority in the form of gun control laws. Despite the decisions, debates regarding gun control and gun rights continue. Probably the most important aspect of the Second Amendment is the philosophy on which it was founded, that all free people have the right to defend themselves, their families, their communities, and this nation.